Frequency bands used by 802.11 networks include which of the following? We have 5.0 gigahertz, 5.4 gigahertz, 2 gigahertz, and 2.4 gigahertz. So our answer is going to be 2 of these. And there's no other real way around it. 5.0 is our new kind of like standard. 5.0 gigahertz is definitely going to be one of our answers. This band offers higher frequencies and less interface than the next one we're going to be choosing. It has a shorter range than our previous one though, so you kind of have to be closer to it. But since it's newer, it's less congested. There's less devices on this network, which means it's better for bandwidth intensive applications, like video streaming, for example. Now the next one we're going to choose, it's got to be lower, right? It can't be 5.4. We just said 5.0 is the new standard, the new max. So 2.0 and 2.4 gigahertz. Well, 2.4 gigahertz was the previous standard. This is older and it's actually more compatible with some devices. So some devices need to be on this 2.4 gigahertz band. It has a longer range than our 5.0 gigahertz, but it's more susceptible to interference from other devices, such as microwaves, cell phones, Bluetooth devices, that kind of stuff. It's more prone to congestion because it's older. There's more on it. So those are the differences, and the frequency bands used in our 802.11 networks, which is essentially Wi-Fi networks, include 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz.